Tiffany?
They said they can't respond to a
So why did you say Stephanie earlier?
Because that's what I go by.
Okay.
It's June 7th, 2025. A quiet neighborhood, a private pool, and a call that starts as a routine trespassing complaint. But within minutes, this ordinary stop is about to spiral into something far more complicated. A case built not on what happened, but on who these two people actually are.
And on the trespassing is refusing.
That's correct.
So you can run that.
10-4.
1 sec. Alright, so who are you living staying with?
I was lying to you, man. I was fucking hot and wanted to swim in the pool.
I know.
Gate was open,
Yeah.
so.
167.
Go ahead.
I'm out on this 58. They've got a authorization form. I'm 1012 with a male and a female. Alright, man. Well,
10-4.
let's go get your info and figure out what's going on. After y'all. Well, get out. You're not supposed to be here, right?
If you say so.
I didn't jump a fence, sweetheart. Right?
I didn't either.
Okay. Like, yo, I'm not gonna play dumb. Y'all know he's supposed to be here. Right?
I jumped the fence with me.
Okay.
Nice.
Alright, what's your first name?
Chadwick.
Chadwick.
Yes, sir.
Stephanie.
Stephanie, spell that for me.
S-T-P-H-I-N-E.
S-T-E-P-H-A-I-N-E. Alright. 167.
167.
Copy 2, name, date of birth.
Hey, Steph, you got the vape on you?
10-4.
I'm in the bag.
Alright, well, let's walk on out to the front of the car so I can figure out what's going on. Hang out for a minute. Stephanie, do you have your ID on you?
I don't. I can give you my social.
Spell your first.
508.
Spell your first. No, spell your first name.
T-I.
T-I.
Fanny.
What's up?
F-F-A-M-Y.
No, spell your first name.
T-I.
T-I.
F-F-A-M-Y.
Why'd you say Stephanie?
That's where the Crime Stoppers tip. There's two dogs.
But your name's Tiffany?
The Crime Stoppers tip
My social
are
says
being
Tiffany.
mistreated.
But your name is Stephanie or Tiffany?
They said they can't respond to a
So why did you say
Why
did you say Stephanie earlier?
Because that's what I go by.
Okay.
Two names, two different dates of birth. In the eyes of the law, that's not just confusing, it's obstruction. What started as a simple trespassing case just escalated, and the officer's next move will change everything for her.
Stand up for a minute. Put the vape down. Put your hands behind your back. Perfect. Stop. You're gonna go to the ground. Stop your shit.
Please stop.
Unit 167.
Stand by.
I'm being bank-racked or arrested.
No, you just given me two different names with two different date of births, so I don't know who you are.
I have a social...
We're gonna walk over here. 167, go ahead. Okay. Have a seat. Careful. Be right back. 167.
Go ahead.
I added the correct female.
10-4, thank you.
Alright, dude. I'm gonna read everything to you and then we can have a conversation. I'm gonna read your rights to you and then we have a conversation. Alright? Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Either say can will be used against you in a court of law. Right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present while you are being questioned. You have to afford to hire a lawyer, one to be appointed to represent you for any questioning if you wish. You can decide any time to exercise these rights, not answer your questions or make any statements. You understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
Those rights of mine, you can talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dude, what's up?
We've been walking for 2 days, and I'm in the pool, and I did the vent. I hurt myself, and I mean, hurt nobody, went ball, nobody knows wrong, but I mean,
Well, man, you, but bro, you see where it straight up says
I know that, but I mean, I'm
you saw the trespass and stuff, right?
I mean, do I see a trespass sign?
Yeah, it literally says trespass authorization form on the thing.
I don't read well, but I mean, I'm not saying I can't read, I'm just saying. Hold on, Mom. I'm talking to the top right now. Hold on, let me say that.
1 second, let me grab the phone.
Let me talk to him real quick. Hello?
So, I mean, where y'all living at now?
Well, I mean, my truck is in the shop. It's getting out Wednesday, but I live in Florida.
Okay. Well, I know you were local. That's why I'm like, why are you walking for 2 days?
Well, because I got. Let me call you back, Mama. I don't want her to know. I got cancer, so
Good.
it's hard for me, but I'm out of breath a lot. And so basically, yeah, I was hanging out with my friend, and we're on and off boyfriend girl. I don't know why she does. She got a kind of alter ego, man. She ain't got no warrants in there. I don't know why she's doing this stupid shit.
Well, when you tell me Stephanie was one date of birth.
You know what I mean? She goes, Stephanie, Tiffany. Sometimes I have to call her Stephanie. Sometimes I have to call her Tiffany. It's fucked up. It's fucking weird, dude. But I mean,
Okay. But you see where the issue is, man, is obviously it's a new neighborhood, right?
that's a,
These people, they pay for all this, and now someone's jumping their fence going for a swim,
I guess,
right?
Yes, sir.
But, alright, well, we're gonna keep...
I mean, they did call fast, but I mean, if you went over here, motherfucker.
Oh yeah, that's... Yeah.
10-4.
Whenever you guys don't know your code, you're staying with somebody over here, dude, be straight up. I'm not gonna ask you a question I know the answer to, right? Right? Alright. I'm debating on taking her to jail, first off, for lying to me about her name.
Listen, I mean, I understand where you're coming from. It's not. She don't have a warrant.
Well, she does have a warrant out of Georgia that they won't come get her for.
Oh, yeah, well,
Can you
yeah.
back up 254?
She has nothing we can pick her up on, correct?
What I'm saying is, and she knows that, but she has me call her Stephanie, something like that.
491, can you
If
call
I
me?
don't call her Stephanie, sometimes she's dude.
10-4, I'm on the phone with her right now, sending them a report. I will call you back in a moment.
Alright, well, we'll be right back and have another conversation. What's up? No, all this is your copyman, so you're trespassed. You cannot come back here. Alright, dude? I get it. You want to swim everything else? She's going to jail.
For what?
For lying. Dude, you can't give me a fake name, fake date of birth, and then expect everything to go well as be trespassing, dude. Can't do it all. Alright?
What was she going to jail for?
Obstructing. She lied about her name.
What's that bond going to be?
I have no idea. We don't set bonds anymore.
Who sets it?
The ACR. You gotta call up at the jail and see what they do. They have this whole little algorithm they have to do. They have to figure out her number. I just don't know it.
Can I speak to her real quick?
All right, now.
And ask her what she wants me to do with the phone. She wants to drop her off at parents' house. She wants
Her
to
phone, I'll take her phone with her, for all I care.
I mean, ask her what she wants to do.
Yeah. All right, Tiffany, where do you want your phone to go? You're going to jail.
With you?
With me? Okay.
Or my mailbox.
You want your mailbox?
You give it.
You want to him?
Either or.
Huh?
Either or.
It's up to you. Do you want it to go with me or do you want it to go with him?
Obviously, it's not up to me.
Where do you want your phone to go?
Right here, Tiffany. You want it here. You want it? You want to put your mailbox? Listen, my mom's going to bond you out, though.
Okay. Do you understand why you're going to jail?
No, sir.
Okay. When I ask you your name, don't give me a different name and a different date of birth when I ask you the second time, right?
I can memorize my social.
Okay. You told me Stephanie the first time, and
gave
then
you
you
my last
changed
name.
it. Yeah, you did. I agree. You told me Stephanie with a different date of birth, and then you told me Tiffany with the correct date of birth.
But you didn't ask me for my social.
No, you're correct. I asked
The
you for
only
your
thing I remember is
name.
my social.
So she got a few
Okay.
health problems.
Okay.
So she doesn't really need
Be right back.
Look at my record.
Okay. I have no idea. For me to tell you a number would be lying to you because I don't know.
It's called obstruction.
Yep.
In the end, it wasn't the fence, the pool, or even the trespassing that sealed her fate. It was the lie. A single false name turned a warning into an arrest, proving once again in law enforcement. Honesty is often the only thing standing between a citation and a night in jail.
So the best way to avoid getting her into this shit, dude, is not to do stupid stuff, right? That's simple as I can put it, dude. All right. You guys, if this both ain't your first time, guys, you guys know better. All right.